I'm a dope boy's dream. That first hit to a fiend who don't wanna go clean. They can't leave me alone. I make them feel so good. Nigga hook like a fish. Wouldn't shake me if he could. I'm a drug that
What's up, sippers? It's your girl, aka Miss Love and Gossip, aka Miss Flexy. I told you I was coming back with a wig review. Hold on. Let me straighten my chair up. You know, it's a lot of things. Like I said, I got company. They've been in my living room, but I'm about to put them out in my living room. You hear me? So I did come back today, like I promised y'all. I was going to do my wig review, okay? So I'm gonna tell you about the Classy wig. Can y'all see that? Classy. And yes, when I'm finished with my wigs, I do put them back in the box, okay? And she's been in the box for a long time. We're gonna get this right. Classy, y'all see that? Now, I bought Classy about 2-3 months ago, okay? Sippers, what's up? And this is a little light since it's Sunday, okay? So I bought Classy, and y'all see she says she's 100% virgin Malaysian Remy, right? So we're gonna do this as an ASMR and a wig review all in one. Since y'all say I got, you know. But anyhow, let me take her out the bag and I'm gonna show y'all how she looks. Now 3 months, okay? 3 months. I washed the wig in cold water, okay? I soaked the wig. Look, she's so embarrassed she don't even want to come out the box. And I let my wigs air dry. I never dry them. I don't put hot water on them either, okay? So, y'all, this is how Classy looks. This is Classy, okay? This is Classy. Let's see if Classy can be brushed, okay? Look at it. And she sheds like crazy. Sheds. She sheds. Look. Like, this might be some ASMR. She gone. She gone, y'all. And this is nothing but the shampoo that you wash the, let me see. It's the coconut. I had a coconut cream shampoo made by, I have to go look under my cabinet. I should have had that out too. I bought so many. I tried so many because they said they're for these wigs. But y'all see what the hell I'm going through right now. You know? And this is the hair. I wasn't combing that, but so yeah. That was Classy. 3 months. I'm a little upset because she wasn't cheap. She wasn't cheap at all. She was not cheap. I think I spent about $2 something for her. She's wet and wavy. So even when she's not wet, she's still supposed to be soft. The hair is, look, I'm pulling and this is all you're getting. You're getting hair. See the hair? And I'm just trying to get through it. See the hair? Now this is Classy, okay? The Malaysian. Wet and wavy. Okay, that's why she been in the bag in the box. When you put her on, you look like you got dreads. You can't wear it nothing but 2 weeks. After that, it's a disaster. So, Classy versus Jenny. Okay? Y'all see that? Jenny. Hold on. Now, we have a Jenny's Beauty Supply located here in Dallas, Texas, okay? Jenny's Beauty Supply. So, I was guessing maybe this is their brand wig. Luxurious lace wig. You see it says 100% virgin human Remy hair. No chemical process and hand cared, okay? And this is their information on the side. If you would like to order, go to their website. And it's, I don't know if you can see it real good. Let me show you. There you go. See that? Jenny'sBeautySupply.com. And this is, let's see. I have her on still. Okay, so let me tell you the story. After Classy did me wrong for 2 weeks. I mean, I only had 2 good weeks out of Classy. I went to Jenny's and I found her. So I haven't been wearing her, you know, the whole 2-3 months straight because y'all have seen me with different hairstyles. But I can say I haven't washed her yet. Between me putting her on, taking her off, putting her on, taking her off. And guess what? She hasn't been washed. But she's still soft. Y'all, and look, let me show you. You hear all that? Oh, come right through, Y'all see that? Yes. Yes, baby, come right through. No problems. She's still good. She hasn't been washed. But when I had to go ahead and wash Classy because Classy started matting up. And I believe I have wet her and put some mousse on her, but I've been wearing her up in a bun. She's not wet and wavy, but the hair is still soft and manageable. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, this is Jenny's, y'all. I believe the number was 212 and a number 1, okay? And she has the natural. You don't have to do too much plucking, none of that. She's good. So, y'all probably like, well, what do you use to lay them babies down? Okay, so I started with my Walker tape, okay? This is what I use, okay? The Ultra Hold. I was using this for a long time. You still will use it, okay? Because I know it can't do me no wrong. Everything. So, you know, then I've been wondering about this Bold Hold lace glue. Remember, I had no problems with Walker tape. And I'm pretty sure a lot of guys use Walker tape, okay? So then I spent $32, okay? $32 on the Bold Hold. This is the Bold Hold tape that y'all see. Instagram, you can find it on Instagram. She's out of Atlanta, Georgia, I believe. She is the maker of, I forgot her name, but just Instagram Bold Hold lace tape, okay? Glue. This is the Active, which the girl was like, oh, that's if you're outside, you're sweating and everything. Something, you know, it's not right, you know. She was just trying to be funny, I guess. I don't know, but she was just going there. She was like, it's gonna hold, period. That's it. So I've been having on this Bold Hold since what, last Saturday. So it still feels tight, okay? But I got a little situation. I'm like, what is it? And I ain't afraid to show y'all some shit. Y'all know I keep it real over here. Sippers. So what I said I was going to do is I was going to retract it. Now, as far as like keeping it held up in the back, it's still the same way as it is in the front. But you can still feel it's gripped. It's just certain spots. But it's supposed to be active. You know, active. It's supposed to be active. So I wouldn't, you know, I say it's okay But I love my Walker tape. It gotta come stronger than that. I can't say it grips around here, but where you mainly probably would sweat at, it lets loose, okay? And that's my review on that. I'm sorry. I mean, it's good. Some people can find it good, but it's just, it's still securing, but I don't like the way it lifts in certain spots. I don't have that problem with Walker tape. But y'all, I told y'all I was going to tell y'all too about eyeshadow products. And they sell other makeup. I barely wear makeup, but when I do, I prefer to use the Tartlet that I have. Tarte by Tarte. It's by, let me show you. Let me show y'all the name. I'm very, very, very Tarte. I'm sorry for the glare, y'all. But, yes, I'm using my phone today. Okay? But, it smells so good. And the colors are beautiful. I'm sorry, I got all kind of stuff. But I want y'all to see the colors. Like, the colors are the bomb. They're neutrals. And if you like to wear you some neutrals like I do, then you'll love the colors, okay? Okay. So, I hope y'all enjoyed my little review on the wigs. I go for Jenny's. And, you know, sometimes we judge a book by its cover because it's not name brand. It's not got the 7A, all that shit. Or you have to pluck the, we want it already done like that. Baby, let me tell you something. This is a beauty supply house name brand wig. And I was just like y'all. Wanted name brand wigs. Wanted the whole spending money and was getting fucked. When I bought this, I can put it on, take it off, and it's still gonna feel the same. And look, y'all, you don't have to do too much plucking. I mean, that's if you want to. But she good to me. She good to me, you know what I'm saying? She good. We good. And she feels just like me, baby. Oh, I just love to run my fingers through her. I fell in love with her when I sang up, bro. I ain't forgot about that asparagus ASMR. I'm getting that together. I'm just trying to get, you know, I'm helping some people out right now. And it's a little hard. But I'm going to have my room back that I normally speak to y'all in soon. I will leave the information about the products that I've mentioned in this review, so you guys can go check them out. And you know, I think I'm just gonna give up on this brand. Like, I bought this brand, and another brand that I did not like was the Iris brand, and they're the most expensive. And I'm pretty sure I have some subs that have bought the Iris and the Classy and was made. I'm pretty sure. But y'all, start looking at these beauty supply houses that got their tags on some wigs. You might just be impressed like I was, because I was like, you know what? I'm just going to try this. I done bought all this other expensive ass shit. Why not give the beauty supply house brand a try? And I got to say, y'all, they impressed the hell out of me. I'm loving her, and I'm always love her. And she don't do, what to her, you got what, one string, y'all, one string, versus Classy. You heard? No, I didn't throw that on the floor. The trash is right here, okay? All right, sippers. And for the people that's just watching, don't just watch me. Subscribe, turn that bell on, ring-a-ding-a-ding, turn that bell. My sippers already know what I be doing when I be talking about the bell. But the ones that's already subscribed, make sure you keep sharing, liking, commenting. I love the convo. I haven't checked. I try to get to some with so many booming now, and I'm doing so many other reviews. Like, I'm about to do a turkey leg challenge because I got barbecue men that's hitting me up. Then I have a guy that's going to bring me some desserts, okay? And y'all, I heard he go hard down here in Dallas, Texas. And I also think he ship out. I got to get all his info when he deliver them cakes. And we gon' see the results. Then we'll shout him out. Now, I'm just playing. But I'll put his info down in the description box as well, but I'll do that on the review of his desserts, okay? And then I got the barbecue men in the city, you know, because Mary's Kitchen has held the crown for me on the turkey legs, you know, beating, you know, up there with the turkey leg hood. They running a tight race, but then they want to say, oh, you ain't got to go to the turkey leg hood, and you sitting up here saying, hey, you ain't tried ours. Well, then I called them out on it. Y'all know I'm going to call them out on it. Let's toast to their sippers. You know, we toast to everything good over here in this hood. So we gonna see which one, and we ain't gonna tell no lie. We gonna do the damn thing, okay? And I heard about so and so doing so and so, but say it is what it is. Let her do her thing. I don't know. But anyway, we talking about food. We talking about her. We talking about what. I might do it. Yeah, how many of y'all want to see a workout video? I ain't gonna do it by myself though. I have to have some people here doing it with me. I just can't do it by myself. Y'all, I'll be laughing the whole damn time. Y'all know this shit. Well, Simples, it's been a pleasure being your host. Once again, Miss Love and Gossip. Now I'm coming back with the asparagus. Somebody told me to make it a little, you know, real relaxing ASMR. I'm still thinking about that. But guess what? I'm coming back with an asparagus ASMR later on. You can watch it. I may upload it tonight. I may upload it tomorrow. But I want to do it tonight because I want to see how many people I can relax. For real. For real. Y'all know I'm for real, Simples. Like, share, comment. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. And make sure y'all go check them products out. Keep on sending them product reviews, baby. I'm with it. I'm with it. It's your girl, Miss Love and Gossip, Miss Flexi. Until then, Simples, I love y'all. Dallas, Texas. Oak Cliff, Texas, that is.
I'm a dope boy's dream. That first hit to a fiend who don't wanna go clean. They can't leave me alone. I make them feel so good. Nigga hook like a fish. Wouldn't shake me if he could. I'm a drug that